From the keynote that was today and potentially for tomorrow, what is one prediction you believe will be on the customer's top of mind over the next 6 to 12 months? And how can Groove AI support them?
One of the key things for enterprises looking to deploy AI at scale is to ensure that their data is private. When I say private, it means truly private, and it remains within the perimeter of the enterprise. The other thing is at some point, people will have to control their token costs. We have had all these reports where people have exhausted their token budgets within 3 months in a year.
It's all that tokenomics, right?
Exactly. So Groove can help with both of these challenges with the PulseAI platform, which is an all-integrated private data inferencing solution meant for the enterprise.
Yes, I believe tokenomics will be a big topic in the next 12 months, especially when inferencing on-prem picks up.